What is up, everybody? This is our second Kickstarter update, and we have some exciting things to show you. And I'm going to run through a couple things very quickly because a lot of the stuff on my end was in progress, so it's easy to talk about. And then Mike's going to run through some really cool news about the software. So, what I wanted to talk about was this. Our designer has finished the design for the Kickstarter hardcover book. The editor has gotten back to me with the final edits, and we have a sweatshirt design for all of you that are getting sweatshirts. So all of this work is being done, and now I'm going to hand it off to Mike so that he can run through his software that we're working on right now.
Thanks, Pete. Yeah. Thanks for everybody who has donated. And I have
Well, yeah,
some
let's talk about that
quick
for a
little,
second. We're at
yeah,
69% funded with $8,500. So we've made huge progress. And actually today marks the exact halfway point of our campaign. So we've got work to do, but I'm very optimistic and excited about what's happening. Sorry, go ahead,
yes,
Mike.
me too. All good, Pete. All right. All right. So let me know when you can see this right now. So,
Ken.
so what this is, let me back this up a little bit. So what this is, so alongside the design prototype, which is starting to really take shape, I've been spending some time in R&D for the Altradia Task Manager. So this is really one of the initial steps before the action of efficiently sort of chomping away at tasks with our what's next button, which will come next. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of how this is taking shape. Step one of this would start with really an assessment or a calendar assessment where we would index a member's existing calendar and then find these approved gaps within. And then we can fill those gaps with task management times or time slots. These we're calling sprints. We're working through these prototypes or analyzing existing schedules to identify these true deep focus windows, ideally 90 minutes, as you can see here. And obviously this aligns with your natural energy cycles. From there, the system moves you into task manager where you can, your tasks are prioritized intentionally. And then later we'll use AI to support that task management prioritization. And then once priorities are all set, Altradia feeds you these tasks, which eliminates the decision fatigue that usually derails focus. So thanks to AI tools, this is great in how quickly these real functional prototypes are coming together, and they really help us to validate our ideas and shape a more intentional human-centered product as we move forward towards full design. But it's great that we're able to do this and actually take a design and put it to use. So this is just a little glimpse of that. So what this is doing right now is I'm showing how you can move tasks kind of in and out of these sprints. And then as you can see, I'm moving it to the first one. It's going to the third one, but the concept again is that you can move these tasks around. And then once we get this more
And you
polished,
can move them around from day to sprint. You can identify how long you think it's going to take you. And then the very next part of what you're developing is the what's next button, which is going to be so crucial. And so the second part of development will incorporate that. And that's really exciting
exactly.
for what you just said. It eliminates decision fatigue. You click what's next, you say that you want to do it, you start doing it, the timer goes, and that's how these particular things happen. And you're pre-populating all these tasks within the task management section of our software.
Yeah. And then you can have an override manual control over it too. But you're right. Yeah, there's a pre-populating element. You can use AI to do it, which will be a future state feature. But yeah,
Awesome.
so that's my update.
Nice. I feel like we've gotten a lot done in the last 7 days. So I'm super excited. And Mike, I really appreciate everything you're doing.
Yes, it's going well. Thanks.
All right. Bye, guys.